To download and install QuickBooks Tool Hub, follow the instructions. Download QuickBooks Tool Hub. Open a web browser and go to the official QuickBooks website. Search for QuickBooks Tool Hub in the search bar or navigate to the QuickBooks support page. Look for the download link for QuickBooks Tool Hub and click on it to initiate the download. Install QuickBooks Tool Hub. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file, usually in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to run the installation process. Follow the installation wizard. The QuickBooks Tool Hub installation wizard will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions and select the installation location. Launch QuickBooks Tool Hub. After installation, you can launch the QuickBooks Tool Hub by finding its shortcut on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Using QuickBooks Tool Hub. Open QuickBooks Tool Hub, and you'll find a set of tools to help you with common QuickBooks-related issues. You can use these tools to diagnose and resolve various problems, such as installation issues, network problems,